This is how you should be able to access your Cengage in your Canvas course by clicking on Modules to the left menu. You want to go to the assignment for you. Uh, you should be able to see it. If it appears grayed out as it is here, and then I'll go back to the other ones. If your module looks like this, because it's grayed out here, that means your prerequisites for this module have not been completed. You will need to go to the first week activities and do those, and you can see here that it tells you to complete all items. So click on module 1, read through these activities, click on them. They're really simple to do, but it walks you through the procedures and policies for our course. Once you have completed all of those, you'll have access to all the rest of the modules. So I'm going to come out of the student view just to let you see what you will need to do when you do have access to the module. So here it says Module 2, what do helping professionals do? Of course, I want you to read through these as you will. Don't worry about these assignments. We'll talk about those on Tuesday. For right now, you want to do your Chapter 4 assignments. By clicking on this link, it will open up to another page. You need to load the assignment by clicking this gray box that says Load Chapter 4, and it'll take you to Cengage. Once it opens up, you'll have access to the assignment. All you will need to do is complete the assignment. I'm just going to click something really quick just to show you how it works. And there's your work. You will click on Finish and Exit. Now, on your screen, you'll just have these available to you. If you click on the down arrow, you can see the assignments that you will have. Now, my advice is to follow the links in Canvas. However, if you want to just look at what the assignments are and how they are due, you can tell that they're already scheduled for the week. And that's it.